Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Andrew Craft Show. Today's video we're going to make a breast cancer awareness ribbon. So I'm going to use my 2.20mm hook size, but of course you can use any hook size and any thickness yarn as long as it's pink. To start, make a slip knot plus 35 chains. If you are new to my channel, I'm using US terminology in all my video tutorials. So assuming you already have 35 chains, working in the second stitch from the hook, make single crochet and single crochet across. You must have a total of 34 single crochet. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and feel free to comment and share. If you wish to support me, you can send me a donation through my PayPal link in the description box below. Or you can show your support by sending a super chat while my video is streaming, or by sending a super thanks. For those who don't know, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, with Wear It Pink Day falling on the 18th. It is a campaign dedicated to raising awareness about one of the most common cancers affecting people globally. Frequently asked questions: why pink breast cancer ribbon so popular? This was the catalyst for the growth of the pink breast cancer ribbon as one of the predominant Breast Cancer Awareness Month symbols. You can check the ultimate guide to awareness ribbon colors at 𝚘𝚘𝚾.com. Back to our tutorial. So once you're done with your row 1, proceed to row 2 without chaining. Just turn your work. Make 6 single crochet in the next 6 stitches. Chain 3, skip 3 stitches, insert your hook in the 4th, and continue making single crochet. By the way, I am trying to upload a new tutorial every Monday at 11:05 in the morning, local time. So I'm almost done with my row 2, and this is my last row. You can slip stitch or make the last single crochet, cut the yarn, and wave all ends. This is how you assemble your awareness ribbon. And that's pretty much it. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy learning. God bless us all. Bye.